Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're going to talk about using had. Using had. And for my subscribers, stay tuned for more and more videos dropping by. And if you're new to this channel, press the subscription button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of my videos. So let's start. Using had. Using had. Okukozesa nalina. Okukozesa nalina. Please note, had is the past tense used instead of have and has. Had is the past tense used instead of have and had. Had is used to indicate possession in the past tense, like have and has. Had is used to indicate possession instead of have and has in the past tense. Nalina ekozesebwa okulaga ebyayita mu kifo kya olina oba alina. Nalina ekozesebwa okulaga ebyayita mu kifo kya olina oba alina. And for further reference on past tense, refer to this video. Also note, had is mostly used when talking about two events in the past and one took place before the other. Had is mostly used when talking about two events in past and one took place before the other. Nalina etera okukozesebwa okulaga ebyayita ebibiri, okulaga ekimu ekyatuukawo okusooka ekirala. Nalina etera okukozesebwa okulaga ebyayita ebibiri, okulaga ekimu ekyatuukawo okusooka ekirala. Had in Luganda is called Nalina, yalina, yabadde alina, wabadde olina. Had in Luganda is called Nalina, yalina, yabadde alina, wabadde olina. And if you're not understanding, don't worry. We're going to look at examples so that you grasp the thing. Ebyokulabirako. Examples. Ebyokulabirako. I had a car. I had a car. In this example, it shows the past tense, since had is used to indicate possession of a car, but in the past. I had a car. Nze nalina emmotoka. Nze nalina emmotoka. Subject I. Nze. I. Nze. Verb had. Verb had and comes from have or has, and in this case had is used since past tense. Object car. Object car. Emmotoka. Emmotoka. Thus, I had a car. Nze nalina emmotoka. Let's see the second usage of had when talking about two events in the past. You had to walk instead of running. You had to walk instead of running. Gwe wabadde oyina okutambula so si kudduka. Gwe wabadde oyina okutambula so si kudduka. And in this example, we have two events: walking, running. Walk, running. And the person had to walk. It is the first event. Thus, had is placed before the first event to show the past correctly. So you had to walk first. Walk, the event first which you had to do is walking instead of running. The second event is placed at the end. Thus, you had to walk instead of running. In Luganda, gwe wabadde oyina okutambula so si kudduka. Gwe wabadde oyina okutambula so si kudduka. Subject you, gwe. Subject you, gwe. Events: walk, okutambula, walk, okutambula. Running, kudduka, running, kudduka. Example 3. Avi had to buy oranges. Avi had to buy oranges. Avi yabadde alina kugula micungwa. Avi yabadde alina kugula micungwa. Example 4. I had to take milk for breakfast. I had to take milk for breakfast. Nze nalina kunywa mata ku kyenkya. Nze nalina kunywa mata ku kyenkya. The subject I, nze. I, nze. Verb had, had. Nalina, nalina. Example 5. Dorita had to go to church last Sunday. Dorita had to go to church last Sunday. Dorita yalina okugenda ku kkanisa Sabbiiti ewedde. Dorita yalina okugenda ku kkanisa Sabbiiti ewedde. The subject Dorita, Dorita. Verb had to go, had to go. Yalina okugenda, yalina okugenda. And object Sunday, Sunday. Sabbiiti, Sabbiiti. Okay, let's proceed. I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night. Nze nabadde n'ekirooto ekiro kya jjo. Nze nabadde n'ekirooto ekiro kya jjo. And can you guess the subject, object, and the verb? Okay, you can put them in the comment section. nze nabadde n'ekirooto ekiro kya jjo. At times, some people may say, nze nafunye ekirooto ekiro kya jjo. Nze nafunye ekirooto ekiro kya jjo. Okay, hope you've got something. Ndowooza olina ky'oyizeemu. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, follow, because more videos are coming. And for my subscribers, stay tuned. Thanks very much for that. Liking and sharing my videos. Webale nnyo kusoma. Weeraba. Bye bye. Meet up in the second video.